And job order costing. As I mentioned, it's going to be used for anything highly customized and specially created for a certain party, right? So trucks, airplanes, ships, any of these items that are going to be customized consulting services. I mean, hopefully you're getting customized advice and right consulting, print shop or printing customized posters and graphics for different companies. So costs here are aggregated based on the job rather than by department, because each job is unique. So we assign the costs based on that job. And what are we talking about when we're assigning costs? Well, we've got, a big financial statement, internal financial statement with all of our costs. And we say, oh, job one has X amount of costs. Job two has X amount of costs. That's what we're doing. We're allocating these costs here, right? It's allocating these production costs that to products and services that are identifiable as separate units and require varying levels of work to complete. We're good here, right? Nothing crazy. You got this. This exam has a lot to it, just like all of them. It's totally fine. You'll tackle it. Each individual thing is not too crazy, not too complex, but I definitely understand. All of it together is a lot. I have faith in you. Keep going strong. Let's keep pushing along and knocking these questions out.
Hey there! Are you ready to not only pass your CPA exams, but truly understand and enjoy the material while studying? I know it seems impossible, right? Especially to enjoy the material? We'll do it together. Tap into the power of CPA.examprep.ai, where we've got personalized quizzes, multiple choice questions, memorization guides, flashcards, simulations, all tailored to your learning. Our adaptive study planning puts you on the fastest path to success and lifts you back up if you fall behind. Avoid wasting your precious time and money attempting an exam with a low chance of passing, because who wants that? We want to get you through this process as quick as possible. Our exam readiness prediction lets you walk in with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success on exam day. Thankfully, there's no payment method needed to get started, so why don't you come join us? Visit cpa.examprep.ai and let's achieve your exam success together.